Okay, this is Diesel, and give the introduction again. He's the only dog that what?
Only dog in AKC that's ever had 5 championships in 5 venues.
In any breed?
Any breed.
Okay.
And he's our #1 obedience dog in the history of the breed.
Lie. Stand. Stand. Lie. Stand. Lie. Stand. Park. Kiss. Kiss. No. Park. Park. Kiss.
He's not kissing.
Turbo. Kiss.
He does the cookie thing.
Is he that food driven? Is that what it is?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You're watching
His favorite thing is the field work. He is amazing.
This could have been Lake.
He's wonderful.
Yeah.
This is what Lake was made for.
Alright. Alright, buddy.
Don't cry.
Don't cry.
Oh, this is not a big. These are just tricks like your dog is doing.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Oh my god. Would you rather do agility or be dead?
Breezy does that trick too.
Dead. Okay. Oh my gosh.
What a ride.
Who's the best?
Oh, who's the best? That's you. Park. Park. Do you like Judy? No.
How about hunting?
How about hunting? Alright, buddy.
Are you watching this? Because you're going to have to do all this.
Yeah. Diesel. He doesn't turn off the lights, but I did teach him to close the door.
That's so cool.
I don't know if he even remembers. That's been a long time since I did that.
No, you used to do high five, and then yeah, but
Rivers
that's
was-
because they had this drives me crazy.
Rivers was that
Diesel.
food driven
Turbo, say
because
hi to Breezy.
she was on prednisone her whole life. So she was, I mean, anything for food that I would do.
Hey, it all.
Hi.
So he gets into the lead hole.
Uh-huh.
He's a little macho guy.
Yeah.
And he'd go and weave. He was weaving. It was so
That's awesome.
Look at his tail.
Diesel, get it.
Do you still do agility with them? then,
No,
just for
I
fun?
finished him, and that was, you know, so he was with Ann.
Okay. How old is he?
Get it. There you go. Get it.
He's 9.
Get something. Get it. Get it. You better find something. Go get it.